5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 1 left. 100. Keep right over brow. 80. Then 3 right, tightens to 2. And it tightens again. To a quick 2 minus left, up. And 4 right, 80. Then 1 right, outside. And 3 left. 50. To a 3 right, long, soft inside. And 1 left, tightens, muddy. There's 1 left, it tightens, muddy. Then 4 left, tightens to 3 minus. Then quick, care, 3 right, tightens to 2 minus. And short 4 right, quick, short 3 left, quick, 4 right, tightens to 3, and 4 right, don't, quick, 3 left, hold, quick, 4 right, switch, 4 left, switch, 5 right, long, 100, then 3 left, 80. 3 left, 80, do another 3 left, long, and 1 right, don't. So here's 3 left, long, and 1 right, don't. 50, 4 left, quick, 3 minus right, tightens to 2. 80 line. To a 3 minus left, hold, quick, 3 minus right, drops, don't, to a quick 3 left, 50, then 5 left, very long, opens and tightens, to 4 minus, very long, and 1 right, so at the end of all this, it's a, and 1 right, and 4 right, long, so 4 right, long, 50, 3 right, and 3 left, long, tightens to 2 minus, off. Then 5 right, long over crest, and
2, that's a 2.
Okay, 5 right, long over crest, and 3 minus right, drops. 80. Keep right over crest.
Woo, tightens 2.
Tightens 2. Keep right over crest and 6 left long over crest, tightens at the bottom to a quick 5 right. And 3 minus left opens to 5 long to a quick 3 minus right, tightens to 2. And then it opens to 5 long and tightens after the crest. So we're tightening 2 here, then it opens to 5 long, and then it tightens after the crest. 50 to a 2 plus left, don't, off. 80, so it'll be 80, care, set up, 5 minus left, hold, quick, 3 right, very long drops. So 3 right here, very long drops, and 5 left, over crest, and another 5 left, drops over crest, 80, then 4 minus left over crest, and caution, 5 right, long, tightens to 3 minus, drops.
Ooh, that tightens 3, that left.
Yep. This is gonna tighten to 3 minus, drops, and a double 1 left. Right here. To a quick 4 minus right, it's very long, and it opens and tightens to 3. 50. So it'll be 50, short 4 minus left, crest and care, 4 left, quick, short 3 right. 50 to a 1 left out onto tarmac. quick 4 right, and 3 minus left. Okay. 3 minus left, quick 4 right, 4 minus right, 50, then a 3 right, 80, then 2 plus right, long, quick, short 4 left, don't. 50 to a 5 minus left over crest, and 3 left, immediate 2 minus right. Quick 3 left, and 3 minus left, opens to 5, then it tightens to 4 minus. To a quick, short 3 right, and 4 left, long, tightens to 3 minus, long, 80. So it'll be 80, care, 5 left, quick, short 2 right. Quick, 5 minus left, don't, and 1 right, 80. Then 5 left over crest, and 6 left over crest, 50, to a 5 plus right over crest, and tidy 4 left, long, tightens, rough, 80 line. To a narrow crest, 200 line over finish. Shut it down. Good job.
Felt better, right?
Yeah, I think so. Those hairpins up is just fucked. Like,
Yeah,
it's just so hard.
I mean, I suck at hairpins already anyway, but